Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting my finished design for my Project Wellness restrooms. I designed both a women's and a men's restroom that includes several toilet stalls. In front of you here I have my original men's and women's restroom designs that included a few toilets and showers in each. I wanted to include more lockers and wasn't able to do that with the showers included. I thought it would be important for people to just be able to have more storage in a more secure area than have the shower spaces. So that was one thing I considered, was taking out the showers to allow more room for people to move around and have more access to toilets. So next I'll show you my final design, which includes the removed showers and more lockers in each restroom. There are lockers around the building outside of the restrooms, but it's just nice to have lockers in each restroom for extra security. I also was able to make sure that each bathroom stall was larger and include the ADA compliant restrooms with turnaround clearances. I included toilet dispensers and other detail items like individual trash receptacles in the women's restroom. I also have included a baby changing station in each restroom. Next, here are some elevations of each restroom, just showing the stall placement. Elevation 16A has the urinals, and you can also see the sink placement and grab bar placement. This view of the women's restroom shows all 5 toilet stalls. The one in the far left is the ADA compliant one, and then not in this view, but there are the lockers on the left of the image. The lockers show up better here in this view of the men's restroom on the left, and then you can also see 2 stalls, and then across from the stalls are urinals with a wall for privacy, and then sinks on the other side of that wall. Thank you for watching.